How to use dry wipe and wet wipe. First, open the box, take out the window cleaner robot, tie the safety rope to a firm place first, then connect the power cords together. Turn on the power. The indicator light of the adapter turns green, indicating the power is successfully connected. Take out the rag, post it on the window cleaner robot. Note: the gray side faces outward, the paste must be flat. Open the water tank plug. Pour in tap clean water or glass water. Don't overfill it. Tighten the stopper when finished. Turn on the switch at the bottom. Put it on the glass for absorption. Then let go. When placing the machine, do not get too close to the window frame. Remote control. Up, down, left, right. Control the direction of window cleaning. In the middle is the pause button. Next is the dry erase button. Voice button. Wet wipe button. Down is spray on off button. The bottom ×2 button means to wipe twice. How to use dry wipe and wet wipe. Dry wipe. Suitable for dirty outdoor glass. First, dry wipe. Wipe off small particles on the surface, and then wet wipe. Instructions. There are 3 modes of operation. 1. Attach the machine to the glass. Press the round button to start dry wipe. 2. Press the dry erase button on the remote control automatic. Dry wipe twice. Wet wipe. Suitable for relatively clean indoor glass, you can use wet wipe directly. There are also 3 modes of operation. 1. Attach the machine to the glass. Press the wet wipe button to start. 2. Press the dry erase button to start, then press spray on off button. Wipe once wet. 3. Press the remote control ×2 button to start, then press spray on off button. Wet wipe twice when using wet wipe mode. There are a few things to note. 1. When the machine moves up and down in N-shaped, we start spray water. Do not spray water when approaching edges and corners. 2. After the N-shaped cleaning starts, spray water every 10 seconds. It will make a beep when spraying water. 3. The clean water in the new machine needs to pass through a pipe. After spraying 5 to 8 times, water will just come out from the spout. Please wait patiently. After wiping, the machine returns to the origin. Hold the safety rope in one hand, long press the round button with the other hand. After the suction power is reduced, remove the machine. For the first use, familiarize yourself with the operation of the machine on the indoor glass. After use, empty the water in the water tank and store it again. The remote control is equipped with a child safety lock. When using the mobile function, need to press the pause button first, and then switch